I would just try to tell you about the chronological order. Okay, so April they decided finally. Okay, April 2022 they decided we will make a hospital. They fly down to Ahmedabad in May, and they had some big plans. So they had a plan of 15 crore project and 3 years of time frame. We reduced it to from 15 cr to 3 cr, and from 3 years to 6 months. That is what you take away from that one day visit. And then the next day you joined us full time in the diamond membership, and from May and June you started your execution, and August 16 was the day that you inaugurated, right? So that too by the October. So October 16, October. So June, July, August, September, October. 4 months execution, and October you launch it. So in 4.5 months, with that kind of execution and the inauguration that happened, I was amazed to see the Tamil Nadu tourism minister coming, and 1,200 people participated in your marathon in Salem, and your mayors and the IAS officers and everyone was there. So